Hi, good morning. So this is Doc Franklin once again. So ayan oh, andito na yung may yamanin sa ano, sa Saskatoon. Ano? Andito na yung puntahan namin yung ano, yung truck na gusto naming bilhin at ayan oh. So taga Saskatchewan no. Layo pinunta dito sa British Columbia para yan yung ano, tingnan mo oh. Malupit. Ay.
Mahalin na din eh.
Oh, di oh. Kung naay mo palit taga Saskatchewan ang tag-iyani ba oh. Oh. Yan hira ko din taon kay mo palit ang truck sa British Columbia. Pero grabe happy ta totong ako ang nalimot pag kuan gabi eh. Nalimot ko kuan ba? No?
Malaala.
Maalala mo kaya ito yung diskarte ato ba no?
Oh. Nay timulton dito.
Ay. So unya nagkape na ka wala pa. Ako kuma na ko pamahaw. Pamahaw ko daan. Ha? Kaya ko nga sayo ta kani anhe kay di na ta mamahos balay. Alas 8.
Nato yard.
Ayon.
Namo ko yaber to yard.
Ako balo naman ko sa ako na to.
Kabalo ka?
Kabalo.
Amo ba?
Pwede ba ko ni balik dito ya?
Ikaw na drive?
Oh, pwede good. Oh. Adi, okay ra. Okay ra. Di ko kabalo ng Ako daw pa ibon. Wala, di na ba ko kabalo mo drive ng dagko. Kung makuratan ko ng dagko, bakit di ko kabalo mo drive ani?
Just now ko dre.
Just now. Ayop na nato ito kay kita magipa-drive sa kiya. Naman din check engine light oh.
Ako dok eh.
Oh, sige. Ganda.
Call back kung driver karon guys. Yung driver ko ngayon si Doc Franklin.
Wala, hindi ko kabisado nito bay. Pero tandaan ng dagko nga truck.
Dito sa British Columbia pala. Maganda dito, hindi masyadong maginaw.
Tingnan mo naman no.
Oo, tingnan mo. Hindi maabot ng minus 25. Wala talaga. Wala pa yan Dok. Hindi pa naka-break ng record yan sa Guinness.
Oh?
Hindi pa ba?
Oh, wala pa kami nakaabot dito ng minus 25.
Oh.
Sa halos 12 years na ako dito sa Canada. Parang isang basis lang ata ako nakaranas ng negative 10. Isang basis lang.
Grabe, negative 10?
Negative 10. Tapos parang hindi pa nga umabot ng 1 week yun.
Yung negative sa amin, yung mga tao doon nag-flip-flops na eh. Sinilas na eh.
Oh,
summer na.
Oh my God.
Dito, winter.
Ito, tingnan mo. Oh, yan. Winter, ano na to? Palapit na siya sa winter kasi ano na, November na.
November na eh.
Oh. So, sa mga ibang lugar nito, kagaya sa inyo, grabe na.
Grabe na doon.
Kapal na talaga snow doon.
Kapal na snow. Kapal na snow. Pero doon sa bukid, may bukid dito eh. Siguro mga 1 hour away, di ba Dok?
Oh, yeah. Sa mga hinter
kapal na rin doon.
Yung ano siya, mataas siya sa sea level, mas ano yun, talagang grabe yung snow na. So Kiala, yan kasi mga taas yan eh.
Galing dito sa Surrey. Surrey ba to? Surrey pa Saskatoon is 18 hours.
Ha?
18 hours. Lagyan natin 18 hours.
18 hours?
Oh. 18 hours. 18 hours to drive. Wapo, maganda talaga dito sa BCB. Pero talagang
ang binabayaran mo talaga dito yung kuan, medyo mataas din yung
pero
yung
guys, talagang po matitira ka dito talaga yung mga galawan mo dito para sa si Doc Franklin.
Wala. Kaya daw niya.
Mga 100 per hour, yung mga ganon guys.
Matand na 100 per hour.
Nagad. Baka uutang kayo guys ha.
Walang laman ang sa Doc Franklin.
Ito, stop. Hinlo. Maganda ba hinlo? Malinis. Hinlo naman ako malinis.
Ay para at least kuan ka ba? Ikot kita dito sa buong ano mamaya. Kasi kung hindi ano bang araw pa yung ano mo?
Wag ba, baka hindi na ako uuwi sa amin.
Para kuan ba? Para ma-appreciate mo talaga yung ano, yung British Columbia. Kasi kung may bala ka,
Hindi, parati naman ako na pupunta dito dati, pero hindi talaga doon sa
Yung, ano
highway
ba?
lang ba? Highway lang,
Wala.
main highway. Oh, wala eh.
wala, pero lalo ko punta tayong Vancouver, yung mismong city talaga.
Hindi mo ma-appreciate yung sa highway kasi busy eh, pero
Wala.
pupunta dito ka sa yung sa
Luban. Ito,
Luban.
wala pa nga ito eh. Ito sa malayo, ito sa
Maganda
Main City.
pala.
Wala, malayo to sa Main City.
Eh, trip ko.
Yung dinadaanan mo hanggang Highway 1 lang, labas kayo ng kuan.
Oo nga.
So,
Para hindi mo ma-appreciate eh, pangit
oo,
ang dito sa
sabi
kuan.
ko, ay, iba
Kasi
naman.
busy eh.
Oo, pero
Talagang tugma talaga yung pangalan. Busy.
busy.
Oo.
Busy lagi.
Busy lagi. Bring cash. Yun pala,
Oo,
bring
bring
cash.
cash.
Oo.
Busy.
Oo. So, bawal pala talaga utang guys. Bring cash eh.
Oh my God. Saan ngayon si
Ay, shout out dyan kay Mark. Tumawag si Mark kanina.
Ah?
Sabi niya, tumawag. Kang Marco, Pinoy Tracker.
shout out din bay.
Sabi niya.
Pinoy Tracker, kanusama ka mo
Ah.
balik dire.
Wala, ayon dito, Dok. Ayon dito. Kasi pagpunta dito, for sure yung reload papunta ng Tacoma.
Oh.
Ayun,
Ayan,
pumunta
oh.
ng Tacoma.
Talagang ganda, Q-line.
Next daw. Makakita niyo sa kuan, sa mechanic.
Oo.
Ayun, next. Oh.
Yeah. Talagang Q-line tayo.
Relay. Sige, salamat ha. Off ko na, Dok.
Sige. Okay. Yeah.
Sige,
Sige. See you
God
next
bless.
time.
See you.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So yun guys. So i-try naming i-test drive yung gustong bilihin ni Manoy. Para at least komportable siya na magbigay ng ganong kalaking pera. 130,000, sobrang mahal. Tapos sinabi ko nga, parang hindi naman siya worth it sa ganong presyo eh. Kaya sabi ko gusto kong i-test
I
drive.
bring my logbook with me, so if there's any issue, keep it on. It's okay. Just put this. Just wipe it on this one.
No, I used to drive it barefoot.
Used to drive barefoot?
Huh? Yeah.
So bad today. Over there, the weather. My fucking truck is when I'm coming, I'm passing Merritt.
Yeah.
It started pulling me to it's passing Kamloops.
Okay.
It pulled me to the right. As soon as it pulled me to the right, and that was fucking crazy. I thought I lost the truck.
Okay. Sige.
See, these are the guys. They screwed me over.
Oh, okay.
This trucking company, they screwed me over. And I never see, look, he fucking even left his smokes here. I don't even smoke.
This is 13 speed, right? Yeah, 13 speed.
That's it, let's go, that's it. Let it go. You release it.
Yeah.
Something good. Yeah, go ahead. Let it go. Things are back up. Just hold that big one. Kill me.
Yeah, you probably see me.
Just hold him the horn.
No.
Oh, he's supposed to be working.
Working what?
He's supposed to be working on that truck.
Oh, he's gonna forward because he's gonna go pull out, right?
Sorry?
So that's the one who repaired this leaking.
His brother and him. They're
Yeah.
both working there. His brother work over there.
They told me he picks only in the yard.
Sorry?
He
Yeah,
told me
his brother works over there. They,
Yeah,
they,
yeah.
they do
he
together.
work only here in the yard.
Yeah. Because I went and showed it to him, bring the gasket, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I bring it here.
Left?
I tell him. Yeah. Because their shop rate is that minor leak fix. They're gonna charge me $200, where I can get
Yeah.
it done for how much? Like $45?
See? Hirap, no?
Having a hard time finding it.
It's just your first time. You want me to show you first? Huh? You'll see it's too much forward. If you want, I can pull it faster if you want. You want me to rough, little bit rough drive for you? You want that?
Give me a second.
You're just because probably not comfortable because of the long shifter, and because the first time you're driving a new truck, fuck, you have to get used to it. It takes you a couple of days. Put this one down. It'll be easier.
Hirap makakaganap ng pan eh.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Where to go?
You get this. You go that right. We're gonna go Highway 99. every summer, my mom would drop us off, me and my other cousin over from here, every day on this road.
Oh yeah.
Drop us off at the greenhouse.
So you live on Surrey only for your entire how many what each area?
No, we came to Penticton,
Oh,
and then we moved to here, and then 99 when my brother got married, then we moved to Calgary. We stayed there till 2002 and like 3, and then we came back to Surrey, and we lived in Surrey from that time to then we all moved to Langley.
Oh. So ito yung sitwasyon ng ng truck na gustong bilhin. So sabi ko nga parang hindi siya worth it na bayaran mo siya ng $130,000. Kaya sabi ko hanap muna ng medyo maganda-ganda. Kasi rugado na rin yung pang ilalim. Yeah. Yeah. So, yun nga, nakita ko yung leaking ng ng truck. Test drive namin ng medyo malayo-layo, mga more than 30 minutes yung biyahe. Pero hindi. Lakas ng leaking. Yeah. Ito ilalim. So yun yung truck na